Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. First of all, let me just discuss what a FOIA is. It's Freedom of Information Act, and that is where one can order a copy of what basically that governmental agency has on file about them. Now, a lot of times the government may, or that particular agency may redact a bunch of stuff. They may not provide, and so forth, and in which case it might be necessary to appeal that in order to show that the redaction was improper, because obviously they're trying to hide something and you're trying to get something. And there are reasons that it can be redacted, privacy or, different concerns, different legal concerns. But many times that is exceeded. And so, that's why you can appeal, a too heavily redacted FOIA. So this particular question, if I understand it right, is basically asking if you can do a FOIA to Department of State as well as DHS, Department of Homeland Security. And the answer is absolutely yes. You can definitely do that. When any particular agency has information on you, there's their own particular procedure to get the FOIA. Okay, I mean, it would be nice if you could send a FOIA and get all the information that every governmental agency has on you with one swoop, but it doesn't happen like that. And that actually is a mistake a lot of people make, is they'll do a FOIA, like based on your question, they'll do a FOIA to DHS, they won't see anything, and they'll go, oh, everything's peachy fine, when in fact it's Department of State or DOS that has all the information that they're looking for to make an informed decision. So if you're going to do a FOIA, you need to do it at all the governmental agencies that may have information which impacts whatever it is you're trying to do. I mean, for example, let's say you're going to do a marriage petition, but you don't know if there's any information about illegal reentries. You don't know if there's been an expedited removal order, things like that. So you would do a FOIA to DHS. You may do a FOIA to DOS. You may do it to CBP, okay, which is Border Patrol. There's multiple agencies that you could do it. And every agency that you touched since the point that you want to do it is where you need to file the FOIA. So there's several different FOIAs every person realistically needs to do, not just one, and it needs to be done in the procedure recommended or prescribed by that particular agency. And if it's not given or it's redacted too heavily so you can't find the information you need to appeal. Okay?